My name's Andy Carlton. I'm a service technician for pumping services in Middlesex, New Jersey. I've been with the company for 27 years. We cover the whole northern side of New Jersey, like 95% of New Jersey, portion of New York City, and its outer areas, and a small section of Pennsylvania. Currently we have 4 service trucks like this one that we use for pulling the equipment and maintaining equipment. Most of our work is pull and pump and related equipment for inspections or repairs. We service and maintain whatever we sell. Probably 90% of our use is with the crane. Lifting equipment out, most of our wells are anywhere from 10 to 20 feet deep, and it's big equipment, anywhere from 5 horsepower pumps up to 125 horsepower pumps. We can pull with these up to 10,000 pounds, so it makes it real simple for us. Makes the job go that much quicker. Any supplies that we possibly need while we're on a job site, we stock a lot on the trucks to be able to make emergency repairs if we have to. We got a lot of cabinet space on these. Front 2 cabinets here on this side are all mechanics tools, personal tools. Then I keep shop inventoried tools. We have electrical supplies. There's a lot of extra equipment that we need to carry, safety-wise, for fall protection, harnesses. We keep breathing air on board. Half of this truck cabinet is probably used for safety equipment. It just gives us that much more space. We're a 24-hour company, so we do get called out in the middle of the night and on weekends. So when we set up our last couple of vehicles, we made sure we added scene lighting for at night. We have 360 degrees of lighting if we need it. With the nature of our business, we're out in all the weather and everything gets wet. We try to clean it, keep everything as clean as we possibly can and dry as we can. When we put everything away in the cabinets, it helps to keep it dry. Keeps everything, especially our tools and equipment, from rusting and going bad on us. We've gone through quite a bit of equipment, quite a bit of trucks, and these things have been pretty decent to us. They're pretty reliable. 90% of what we need to do, we can do with these trucks. The fact that we have on board the crane, the electric pack, and air systems makes life really easy.